CHEX, or CHEX, is a fully licensed and regulated white-label RWA tokenization platform focused on financial institutions. It operates under the Monetary Authority of Singapore on its own custom-built permissioned Layer 1 blockchain with flywheel tokenomics for deflationary dynamics, liquidity incentives, and resource management, helping fractionalize ownership of real estate, precious metals, energy, art, carbon credits, etc. CHEX is multi-chain on CHEX, Ethereum, Solana, EOS, and BSC. As infrastructure expands, so do credit offerings, and TrueFi is making credit more accessible on-chain with programmable debt and 6 different native tokens in its architecture. You can join lending pools with APYs of plus or minus 20% and gain access to real-world opportunities from borrowers and PMs. You can also stake your Trust tokens, earn rewards from loan fees, and track your participation in real time through its DApp. Goldfinch is tokenizing private credit with $1 trillion plus of assets under management and a net estimated yield of 10 to 12%. From startups to institutions, this single platform of global credit gives everyone access to the same capital markets to borrow from. The protocol's institutional-grade funds, track record, governance system, and consensus design make up a unique model where loans are secured without crypto collateral. It democratizes the lending process, operating with borrowers, backers, liquidity providers, and auditors. Mania is a blockchain or database network covering RWAs, complex dApps with EVM modular frameworks and parallel scaling, gaming, NFTs, and even AI. Mania has introduced relational databases to the industry, which makes it possible to query data directly on-chain, perform hundreds of read and write operations with a single transaction, and index data in real time. Essentially, it creates an even more efficient way to record data, not just as a ledger list, but as relational tables with free gas fees for end users. The roadmap for the next year includes optimized AI agent extension, ZKP privacy validation, data availability rollups for greater access, etc. Bricken is a tokenization resource hub for businesses with tailored options for specific use cases. You can raise capital by creating a custom token store or offering, launch solutions for different industries, and be guided through the entire process with their tokenization strategies. Capturing the whole lifecycle for token infrastructure, Bricken has over $300 million in TLV, $35 million plus in TVL, and can tokenize in 16 countries currently. Partnered with some of the best in the business, you can expect Bricken to take off. TokenFi is a RWA tokenization module shipped by the Floki Inu team and governed by Floki DAO, designed to lead the evolution of on-chain potential. It is a no-code platform for simplistic token launches, supporting ERC 3643 standards and flexible across EVMs. Its architecture includes a token launchpad, staking rewards and AI smart contract auditing, generative AI for NFTs, and a WYSIWYG, or what you see is what you get, creation environment. Boson is a dynamic decentralized commerce solution infrastructure with many innovative tokenization strategies. It bridges the physical world and NFTs by creating phygital assets for redeeming the actual physical item or thing tokens for liquid markets of the physical assets. You can build experiences like metaverses, NFT marketplaces with token gate purchases, tokenization of RWA R NFTs or redeemable NFTs, and other Web3 modular commerce applications. PropBase is a real estate tokenization investment platform similar to BlockSquare, enabling fractional ownership of tokenized properties around the world with a P2P marketplace and rental yield options. You can access liquidity in high-quality real estate assets for as little as $100, giving everyone the ability to invest from their decentralized locations. It operates on L1 Aptos and L2 Base, with 75% of its tokenomics model dedicated to the community. This is a solid platform with a well-defined future and enormous potential in the Southeast Asia region and worldwide. RWA Incorporated is a RWA powerhouse investment market that opens up opportunities in DePIN and equity tokens, as well as new project launch accessibility. With over 50 partners, 20,000 plus signups, and the backbone of a multi-asset platform within a $16 trillion plus marketplace, it is primed for exponential growth. They also provide advisory and acceleration services for a complete go-to-market strategy. With over $10 million in total RWA value from 160 issued RWAs, 1,300 plus investors, and 250,000 plus community members, Alicia is a tokenization trading infrastructure and tooling that covers a wide array of markets. The ecosystem is designed to empower anyone to create and manage RWAs, facilitating dedicated marketplaces like Elify for diverse trading essentials, WaveX perpetual DEX built by Sonium for futures trading, and Zeni fiat to token processing through ZK-TLS or transport layer security technology. This hybrid protocol from the heart of Seoul, Korea is bound to be one of the top performers throughout the industry.